Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add aggression and consistency to your drum shells. Alright, so this is how our drum shells originally sound without NovaClip. Now they're already in a pretty decent spot, but they're lacking that aggression that I crave for my drum shells to really stand out in a mix. So let me pull up NovaClip real quick and I'll go over some of our features and how to dial them in. Now whenever you pull up NovaClip, obviously the first thing you're gonna see is the big clip knob in the middle. This you can just turn and adjust how much clipping you want to happen to your source. This shape knob over here lets you choose how hard or soft you want to be clipping your source. We have a mix knob that lets you dial it in the mix and parallel. We have a THD knob over here that lets you add in some saturation to your liking. And then we have a ceiling which lets you adjust the volume. And then looking up top, we have a crossover knob. So if you set this at something like 50 Hertz, the clipping won't happen at 50 Hertz or below, allowing you to keep a crystal clear low end. And then we also have a delta button, which allows you to hear exactly what is being clipped. So let's go ahead and dial this in. I like the sound of that. I didn't really want it to be blowing out my toms too much during that one section. So let's listen to it before and after, and then I'll play it before and after in the mix. Now in the mix. Now you can hear how just turning a few knobs adds so much aggression to your drums and it really brings them to life. Thanks for checking us out. If you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. You can also grab your free trial of NovaClip for 7 days. And if you have any questions, feel free to email support@modernmetalsongwriter.com. Thanks for watching and happy songwriting.